Alright, so we have found something really special, I think. So we are going to go up those steps. There's just stuff everywhere. Oh, just look at this. That's like a time capsule. It's incredible. Now there she is. Look at that. I believe it's a 1983 Diamondback Pacer in its time capsule. She's coming home with us, and we're gonna make it right. Look at this. Isn't this incredible? It's like stuck in time now. How many hours and hours of joy have these toys not brought someone? We deviate. Alright. Let's get her outside and into the van.